In a world rushing forward, what are we forgetting? Are we forgetting to look back at the future? Our research titled Aging and Society, Bridging Generational Experiences Between Youth and Elderly emerged from the recognition that aging in urban India, especially in a city like Bombay, is not shaped by only biological factors, but also by evolving socio-cultural, emotional, and economic realities. We aim to understand how older adults who are above the age of 60 perceive their own aging in a rapidly changing urban society. Along with it, we wanted to understand how youth interpret and engage with aging and elderly. Lastly, we identified how age based biases affect understanding and relationships between different generations, both within familial spaces and the broader social context. We used a mixed method approach to our research. We interviewed 100 youth. We conducted in depth interviews with 10 older adults and youth. We conducted focus group discussion and group discussion with around 20 elderly who came from diverse socioeconomic backgrounds. Through our research, we found out even though many elderly people talked about aging with a sense of peace, spirituality, and reflection, their daily lives were affected by financial precarity, stress, feeling invisible in the society, and emotional loneliness, especially if they did not have family or social support. Youth, on the other hand, understood aging differently, and it was largely mediated by the kind of exposure and experiences they had with elderly. 42% of youth who stayed with elderly understood aging to be tough, both emotionally and physically, and more holistic perspective was found from the youth who stayed with elderly, while others reflected distanced and stereotyped views of older adults by often seeing them as sick and dependent individuals. A lack of mutual understanding and gap could be identified, which came from lack of efficient communication, less shared time, differences in value, and the digital divide and increasing screen time, along with a huge cultural shift. Aging experience is not homogeneous. It is significantly harder for those who come from marginalized communities, those from religious minorities, and also from lower financial backgrounds, and also for those who also have the burden of unpaid care for younger generations. These overlapping identities affect the kind of support people receive, be it access to health care, financial stability, community networks, or emotional care, making the experience of growing older deeply unequal. Aging is thus not just a personal journey, it is also a social responsibility. As we move forward, we want all of you to reflect on how we as an individual and community can build intergenerational bridges, creating supportive communities, and imagine a world where no one grows old, feeling unseen, forgotten, or lonely. Thank you.